demo for Unit 12. Drag the label to the screen. Drag text box to the screen. Drag 3 buttons to the screen. Drag text box to the screen. Use TinyDB to save data while running an app. Drag TinyDB to the screen. Drag Notifier to the screen. TinyDB and Notifier1 are invisible components, so they will show below. Change the text of label 1 to Note. Set the width of text box 1 to fill parent. Set the width of button 1 to fill parent. Change the text of button 1 to Save. Repeat the setting for button 2, but set the text of button 2 to Read. Repeat the setting for button 3, but set the text of button 3 to Delete. Set both the height and the width of text box 2 to fill parent. Go to Blocks Editor to make these components work. Set up the events when button 1 is clicked by this block. Drag it to the screen. Drag block if then to the previous block. Click tool icon and pull out block else into the if condition. Drag block equal to the if condition. Drag block text to the right side of block equal. Drag block text box 1 dot text to the left side of block equal. Change equal symbol to not equal. Use block called TinyDB.storeValue to store a value in TinyDB. Set block textbox1.text as a tag and also put it to the value to be stored. Use block called notifier.showAlert to show a notification while running the app. Use block text to key in the message we want to display. Type in no content. Set up the events when button 2 is clicked by this block. Use block set textbox.text2 to set the text of textbox2. The text set to textbox2 is the value from tinydb. Use call tinydb getTag to get the value. Set up the events when button 3 is clicked by this block. Use block called notifier1.showChooseDialog to show a message with options. Change cancelable to false. Use block text to key in the info for dialog. Key in "Are you sure to delete all?" Key in delete. Key in yes. Key in no. Use block when notifier1 after choosing to set up the events when user chooses an option. Use block if then to check which option user chose. Drag block equal to set the if-then condition. Drag block text to the left side of block equal. Key in yes. Click Choice to get the option which user chose. Use block called tinydb.clearAll to clear all the values. Use block called notifier.showAlert to show a notification while running the app. Use block text to key in the message we want to display. Key in all clear. Let's test the app on the mobile phone. Key in some words and click Save. Click Read and get the values which are stored in TinyDB. Click Delete and then Yes to delete the values stored in TinyDB. Click Read again to check the result.